So, hello everyone. If you are new to the college and have no clue how to access the recordings, this is how you do it. So, you just go in through the home page for the course that you want to look for the recordings, find the online classroom link and information, click that, find the Collaborate Ultra link, click that, wait for it to load, find the black bar that says sessions, find the three pancakes, click that, look for recordings, click that, and then you find the recordings you're looking for. So this is the one that was done for this week. You'll notice the start date for it. So it started at 8:42 a.m. and it was 2 hours and 5 minutes and 46 seconds. You can see that you can watch it now using the play button. You can download it to a device or you can copy the link. Anyway, if you just want to hit play or just click on it, I think that would work. Anyway, if you want to attend class, you just go into sessions, find the course code, click on that, and then once you do that, you just hit join course room over here. And then once you click that, then you're in the class. Hopefully that helps you. Good luck.